Hello students, this video I have made for class 6 mathematics. We are taking the chapter playing with numbers and I am taking up the exercise 3.4 where we have to find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. So first we will find the factors of 4 which we get as 1, 2 and 4. Now factors of 8 we have to use the previous method that I have told you, and factors of 12 will be this. So out of this, when we do the common factors, it will be 1, then 2 and 4. As we can see that 1, 2 and 4 are coming in all of these three numbers. So this is how we find the common factors for given three numbers. So next question is, we have to find first three common multiples of 6 and 8. So multiples of 6 will be and so on. Multiples will go on. I have just written the table of 6 and that is enough. So that is the way of writing multiples. Now I am listing the multiples of 8. So the multiples of 8 are 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and so on. So if we have to find the first three common multiples, so let us start finding that. We see that the first common multiple is 24. We can encircle that. After that, the next common multiple that we find is 48. And after that, up to 60 there is no common multiple. So we have to extend this little more. So we will find 6 11 ja 66, 6 12 ja 72, 6 13 ja 78. So we have found the third common multiple is 72. So now we can list them. The first three common multiples are 24, 48, 72. And if we are asked the LCM, then it will be, the least common multiple of these two numbers will be 24. Now we come to answer number 5. I will take two parts. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? So first let me tell you what are co-prime numbers. This is an important definition which can come in 1 mark questions, section A. Co-prime numbers are numbers having only one as common factor. So they are the numbers which will not come in the any common numbers table. So that's why they are prime, but they are co-prime. So the first option they are giving 18 and 35. So we see that the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And factors of 35 are 1, then 5, then 7 and then 35 itself. So we see that except 1 there is no common factor. So we will write yes, 18 and 35 are co-prime. So to find whether two numbers are co-prime or not, you have to find their factors, and that will tell you whether they are co-prime or not. Second part B also, you have to find the factors, and you can find that 15 and 17. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 17 are 1 and 17 only. So we can again see that there is only one common factor. So yes, 15 and 17 are also co-prime. Now, there is question number 6, which says that a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. So, by which other number this number will be always divisible? So, this number will be always divisible by 5 into 12, that is equal to 60. So, this is solution number 6. Right? Similarly, question number 7 is, so this we have found with the help of multiple concept, and one we will find with the help of factor concept. A number is divisible by 12. What other numbers will that number be divisible? So we will find factors of 12. So when we find factors of 12, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So if a number is divisible by 12, then it will be divisible by these numbers also. So this is the exercise 3.4. Thank you.